Alright, you guys, so I had one of these here in the back of my truck. So when I go to the grocery store, I got stuff, but these start falling apart right here. I had this for like 6 months, 7 months, and this start just rip apart, both sides. No good. And if you check my other video, I had I strapped this box down here with this thing, but it's such chore sometimes to get in here. I have to release this right here, this strap. That was some work. So I went to the big box home center, and yeah, so what happened here, I got me a piece of 2x10, wink wink, supposed to be 2x10. A 2x12 or whatever, 2x10. 2x10 supposed to be turned to be 2x9. So I measured the back of my truck in the bed. So I got a Ram 1500. I'm not too sure. Other trucks. From here to that side, I measure. In 1 second. Oopsie doopsie. Got nobody to hold this thing for me. Right in there. And I run this across right here. So I would say I'll hold this in the top. I'll go 66 inches. Yeah, 66 inches. I know. Gotta make it a little bit bigger. Oh gosh, so difficult for one person. Yeah, it's 66 inches, so a little bit. I'm gonna make sure it's a little bit like a 1/4 inch or whatever, a little bit bigger. I mean longer, just in case. I don't want to cut it too short. If it's too short, but guess what? You can't bring it back. You can't bring this back. So when you cut it. So I measure 66 inches. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it now. Got on my safety. I got on my safety glasses for you, all you safety people out there. Right there, and there's a line right in that groove. That's that little line you follow. So let's go. Let's get cracking here. Measure twice, cut once, because you can't cut this again. And if you messed up, guess what? Like I said, you can't bring it back to your home center. I don't know if some people can, whatever, but let's go see if it fits. If it's too big, if it's too long, then I'll just do some shavings. Shave this down a little bit. Time for the big test. Do or die. It's now or never. Hold on. I got it at the store, man. I got it in there. You gotta squeeze it in. 6 to 6 inches. It's kind of a little bit tight, but hey. You know what I probably do? Make like a little notch, a square in the bottom, because the bottom is like, it's in an angle groove. So just cut off like run it off a little bit. So you're dropping them more properly. Okay guys, so what I'm doing to let this thing sit all the way in the bottom, I measure, it's going to be 1 inch on each side. 1 inch from this side down, 1 inch from here to here. I measure right here. And you get your handy dandy little marker. A little pinky marker. That's about 1 inch right there. And 1 inch is right here. And then you go so. I'm doing this by one hand. I got no camera, man, so. It's windy out. Oh shucks. There you go. Alright, well, yeah. That doesn't sound too good. I think my batteries are dying. Okay, I'm gonna go over in there and set it in because I got no one to help me with this. So go back in my truck and I'll let you see it when they're done. Man, I tell you, like I said, guys, you can't beat this. I go into 1 inch from each side, and there you go, sit right in the bottom. Perfect. 100%. And what I'll do, I'll save a piece of those things just in case it gets kind of a little bit shaky or something. I just put piece back here. So wood straight, you know, staple it right here for stability. But other than that, that's it. Ain't no $60 for no stuff for your groceries. Hell no. I gotta remove all this garbage out of here now. Take all this out of here. Save this way for save my strap, so when I'm this out throwing in fucking garbage. Shit ain't no good. Alright. That's it, man. Save yourself some money. It's a 2x. It's supposed to be 10, but it's 2x9. Or you can get 2x12 if you want it taller than that. I wouldn't recommend going 2x4. Now your stuff is spilled over the top. Nah. That's the way to go. That's the way to go. All right.